Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix the Roblox out of date error on your Windows 10 or even Windows 11. So let's get right onto it. So for this to be able to fix guys, all you have to do is search on your Windows search bar internet options like that. So take note of the icon. Once you are here, you just have to go over to advanced here and make sure that you tap on or click on restore advanced settings and just hit on apply and hit on OK. So there, after done with that, you just have to go on over to restart your device or laptop or PC and go ahead and log out and log in on your Roblox. So okay guys, that is the way on how you can fix the out of date issue on your Roblox. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and goodbye.